Right now, we're going to share with you the success process in relational marketing. The first process is what we call as teach them. You have to teach them everything you know. But before you teach, always learn that you need to know first what you want to teach because you cannot give what you do not have. So after natuturo mo na lahat ng alam mo sa kanya about the company, about the product, about the computation, about the system, next is you have to show them. Ang trabaho lang ng mga first na mga partners mo is mag-invite lang. Tayo naman po ang magpapakita sa kanila kung paano mag-present, paano mag-close. Okay? So after you have showed them how to do it, the third process, you have to share with them already. So after several meetings, pinakita mo na paano ka mag-present, paano ka mag-close. It's about time for them to also learn on their own. So probably yung first part, siya na magpe-present ng company, ikaw sa product and business. Next meeting, siya naman sa business and product, ikaw naman sa company. So palitan kayo. Until such time na alam mo that he's comfortable already, he's already confident no, sa kanyang pagpapaliwanag, that's the time that you are going to watch them. Yan ang last process. No? Panunuorin natin sila, we will guide them accordingly. In this business, kailangan na tulungan po natin ang ating mga bagong partners, bagong downline. Hindi po natin silang pagka-sponsor lang, iiwanan nyo lang. Pag inabandon nyo sila at hindi nyo sila tinulungan, ang chances are they will not become successful in this business. So again, what is the success process? First is you're going to teach them. After you teach them, you show them how to do it. After you show them how to do it, that's the time you are going to share some of the responsibilities para matuto rin sila on their own. And last, you're going to watch them and release them. Remember, ang goal natin sa negosyo to is to develop other leaders and to empower others. Hindi po natin pwedeng sarilinin lahat at tayo lahat ang nagawa because we cannot do it for everyone. At maraming salamat po sa inyo and I hope that you learn again from this episode.